Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your username. To begin, navigate directly to your account's security or profile settings. Look for a clearly labeled option such as Username Recovery, Account Reset, or Change Username. This specific pathway is the only officially supported method provided by most platforms for altering your username. Following these initial steps ensures you are on the correct and secure route to updating your account information. Once you've initiated the reset, the system will prompt you for identity verification. This crucial step typically involves using a linked email address or a registered phone number. Expect to receive a unique 6-digit verification code sent directly to your chosen contact method. Carefully enter this code into the designated field on your screen. This ensures that only the legitimate account owner can make changes, maintaining the security of your personal information. With your identity successfully verified, you will then be presented with the option to create your brand new username. Take a moment to consider your choice, ensuring it adheres to any specific platform guidelines, such as character count, special character allowances, or uniqueness requirements. Most platforms allow between 3 and 20 characters. Once you are satisfied with your selection, confirm it to apply the change. This action is usually irreversible for a set period, so choose wisely. After successfully resetting your username, it's a good practice to immediately log out and then log back in using your brand new credentials. This confirms that the change has been fully processed and is active. Remember to update any saved login information in your browser or password manager to prevent future access issues. Also, be aware that many platforms implement a cooldown period, often around 30 days, before you can initiate another username change. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.